I have doubts about the power of chanting of the holy name. Is the name of God really so powerful? The thirst of our countless lifetimes will not be quenched by merely licking dew. We must drink water to our heart's content. That is why we should continuously chant the holy name while sitting, standing, walking, or moving about. Just as when a doctor prescribes green, blue, or yellow medicines, we do not question, why green? Why blue? Why yellow? We trust the doctor and take the medicine. Similarly, trust the saints, the Guru, and the scriptures. There is no means as powerful as the holy name. Chant whichever name is dearest to you, Ram, Krishna, Hari, or Shiva, constantly and with devotion. If you do not see immediate results, be patient. Just as a farmer plants seeds and waits for the harvest, enjoying its fruits in due time, the holy name first eradicates our sins, removes obstacles, and then fills us with divine bliss. So, why doubt? Do not wonder whether you will receive the fruit or not. This is an illusion, which confuses the mind. The purpose of taking refuge in saints and the Guru is to have faith in their words. If you visit Vrindavan and someone offers to show your Seva Kunj or Nidhivan, will you doubt at every turn, wondering, where are they taking me? No, you trust your guide. In the same way, when saints say, chant the holy name, and all will be auspicious, trust them. Otherwise, you will keep wandering. Saint Tukaram ji says, my Guru gave me the name Ram, Krishna, Hari, and through it, I attained everything. Before meeting his Guru, spiritual practice was difficult for him, just like villagers who laboriously draw water from a well using large leather bags for irrigation. But Guru's grace and chanting the divine name are like being connected to the holy Ganga instantly. The entire field is flooded with water. Yet, people still doubt, will this really benefit me? This is no ordinary thing. It is a profound and divine nectar. Try chanting the name, Radha. There is an unparalleled sweetness in it that you have not yet experienced. Trust in the words of the Guru, just as you trust medicine prescribed by a physician. If you do not believe, you will continue wandering. One who has faith is uplifted, while one who doubts keeps getting lost in worldly ways. Through the power of Radha's name, everything is possible: happiness, bliss, and the ultimate welfare of the soul. Chant it sincerely for a few days and see for yourself. Every particle of Vrindavan is chanting, Radha Radha, such is the glory of Braj. The chanting of Radha's name is the greatest remedy. One who chants, Radha Radha, with a true heart even once has their sins from countless lifetimes erased by Lord Krishna himself. Then, Krishna wonders, this soul has taken my beloved's name, what should I give them? He does not offer material wealth but instead bestows his divine love, grace, and complete surrender. This is an invaluable nectar. Now is the time to embrace it. Today, Radha's name is spreading across the world, yet it remains a unique essence of Vrindavan. Even great saints cannot fully comprehend its glory. The nectar that is rare even in the three worlds is found only in Vrindavan. That is why the dust of Vrindavan, its saints, and its devotees are invaluable treasures for us. One who immerses in this nectar attains true bliss. Such is the divine glory of Radha's name. Chant it, embrace it, and witness how it transforms your life.